Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete user from your Nintendo Switch. To do this, you'll need to go to settings. So you're doing it like that. You move to system settings, press A, go down now, find the user, press on it, and from here you need to choose which user you want to delete, and you're doing it by selecting and highlighting. You see this frame around our user, like this one. We are gonna delete this one. Press A, and from here you go down and press delete user. All saved data for this user will be deleted, keep that in mind. You press go up and press continue, then go down next, and here the game will again inform you that data cannot be recovered once it has been deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? We want to delete it, so I'm just gonna show you. Delete this user. So that again, the highlighted option, you press A, and your user is deleted like that. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.